Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, where we're going to discuss the real reason why you should be drinking lemon water every day. The average person doesn't know the true benefits of drinking lemon water, but it's actually quite amazing. So let's dive into all of the key points and uncover why drinking lemon water can do wonders for your health. Body. Fatty liver. By drinking lemon water on a regular basis, you have the potential to reduce a fatty liver. This is because the phytonutrients in the lemon water have the ability to greatly improve something called hepatic steatosis. Hepatic steatosis means a fatty liver, and lemon water has the ability to dissolve the fat in the liver. There are other things as well, like purified bile salts and choline, and a low-fat diet, such as the ketogenic diet, can reduce up to 50% of the fat in your liver within 14 days. But if you add a little lemon to your water, you can actually speed things up. Reducing cholesterol. Lemon water can help increase the flow of bile through the bile ducts and help remove some of the excess cholesterol that's kind of backing up in the system. Not that cholesterol is a bad thing, but let's say your liver is sluggish and your gallbladder is sluggish, and you're not producing enough bile, and that's kind of backing up in the system. Weight loss. Lemon water does not directly help you lose weight, but it can indirectly help you lose weight. Quite a few studies on animals have shown this. Certain phytonutrients in lemon water stimulate significantly lower blood sugars, they reduce insulin resistance, so they lower insulin, and that is the reason why someone can lose weight. In fact, if you really want to know how to lose weight, what I would do is not try to research how to lose weight. I would research on how to lower insulin, because anything that lowers insulin is going to help you lose weight. In fact, fat cells cannot shrink. It's impossible for a fat cell to shrink without lowering insulin despite your calories. Anti-aging effect. Lemon has an anti-aging effect. Yes, the studies were done in animals, but most studies do start in animals and then progress to humans. In a 5-week study, they lived on average 3 weeks longer. Now you might be saying, well, that's not a long time. But that's only 5 weeks. Think about if you started drinking lemon water on a regular basis for the rest of your life. It could add up, and they also found that lemon water extended the life of the microbiome, your friendly bacteria, which is pretty interesting. Anti-cancer effects. I'm not telling you that lemon water is going to cure your cancer, but it's something you can add to help inhibit cancer. In test tube studies, it was found that certain phytonutrients in lemon water were able to kill malignant cancer of the tongue, of the lung, and the colon. Reduction of kidney stones. Citrate in lemon juice binds with this thing called oxalate. The most common type of kidney stone are oxalate stones, calcium oxalate stones. So, if you have citrate in your body, it can bind with the oxalates to prevent the stone from occurring. People that have a tendency to have kidney stones are usually low in citrates, and if you're prone to kidney stones, I would recommend increasing the amount of lemon juice to roughly about a half of a cup to a cup of lemon juice every single day. Potential vitamin C. Potential vitamin C content in lemon juice can vary depending on a number of factors, including the type of lemon, how it was grown, and how it was processed. However, on average, 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters, of lemon juice contains approximately 18.6 milligrams of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that plays a key role in many important bodily functions, including immune system function, wound healing, and the production of collagen. It is also a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps to protect the body from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Overall, incorporating a variety of vitamin C-rich foods into your diet is important for maintaining good health and supporting your body's natural defenses. These are some benefits of lemon juice. I hope you like my video, and comment your any question related health. Feel free to ask her. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Health Tips. See you in the next video.